Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start TestRail installation guide. So first of all we start from the guide. So how to install it and what is the TestRail. So let's go to the next slide. What is the TestRail? Basically TestRail is a web-based test management tool. It is used by testers, developers and team leads to manage, track and organize software testing efforts. Also used to track and maintain records of all STLC phases from test plan to report creation. This brief tutorial introduces readers to the basic features and usages of the test trails. You can see that below is the link where we go to and we are going to and start the test trail trial. Here it's the requirements of the test trials in on a web browsers. First of all, Microsoft Edge recent versions, Firefox recent versions, Chrome, Safari, WebKit recent versions. Hardware requirements are we recommended adhering to the following list of requirements as a minimum starting point for your testing trail server installation. You can see that there is a hardware requirement mentioned here. CPU and cores, regional modern CPU with multiple cores, memory 4 GB plus Linux or 64 GB plus Windows Server. So disk slash performance server grade disk slash 10 subsystem recommended. Disk space 200 MB plus per user. In addition to system space 20 slash 40 GB plus for overall machine. Virtualization supported, yes. It support virtualization with server grade VM products. So thank you.